Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Can you imagine an animal that can destroy millions of acres of farmland, cause traffic accidents, and threaten the tourism industry in just a few years? That's the wild boar, a real nightmare for the United States. With an astonishing reproductive rate, a herd of wild boars can double in size in just 12 months. They not only devastate the environment, but also cause economic damage worth billions of dollars every year. Not limited to rural areas, wild boars have also invaded cities, creating chaotic scenes on the streets and becoming a threat to humans. Imagine you're driving on the highway and suddenly a massive wild boar runs right in front of your car. This has happened before and led to serious accidents. So, what has the US government done to deal with this issue? The answer might surprise you: hunting wild boars from helicopters. But why was this method chosen? Why did the US government opt to hunt wild boars from the air instead of other measures? Let's dive into the details of the wild boar control campaign using helicopters right here on Agricultural Hunters. But before we get into the details, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you. Wild boars are not just a threat. They are a nightmare for the economy, the environment, and the lives of people in the US. With their rapid reproduction rate and strong adaptability, they have spread across states, causing unpredictable damage. Wild boars are often referred to as living bulldozers because of their aggressive digging habits. They tear up the land, destroy crops, cause soil erosion, and wipe out native ecosystems. Millions of acres of agricultural land are severely affected each year, causing significant economic losses for farmers. Not only that, but they also devastate forests, reduce vegetation, and threaten native wildlife species. Not only does the wild boar cause environmental damage, but it also impacts the tourism industry, one of the key revenue sources for many states in the US. In Carolina, wild boars cause around $1.5 million in damage annually, forcing many tourist spots to close or reduce visitor numbers by up to 20%. Tourists feel uneasy when encountering wild boars, and there have even been cases of attacks. A wild scene in the heart of a tourist area is truly a nightmare for the managers. Not only are wild boars rampant in rural areas and tourist spots, but they have also invaded cities, causing chaos on highways, residential gardens, and public parks. Traffic accidents involving wild boars are on the rise, putting human lives at serious risk. In 2022, authorities had to deal with over 5,000 decomposing wild boar carcasses in urban areas, a staggering number. Not only did they create a foul odor, but the carcasses also became breeding grounds for dangerous diseases, threatening public health. As a result, the US government and hunters implemented a powerful solution: helicopter hunting. This method not only effectively controls the wild boar population, but also helps minimize economic damage, protect the environment, and ensure human safety. Helicopters can fly at speeds of up to 150 km/h, allowing hunters to easily chase and eliminate wild boars, even in difficult terrains like forests, swamps, and mountains, where ground vehicles struggle to access. Additionally, helicopters are equipped with advanced technology, such as GPS systems, compasses, and infrared optics, which help hunters detect and track their targets, even at night or in bad weather conditions. These tools increase shooting accuracy, reduce wasted ammunition, and ensure quick kills. There's no denying that helicopter hunting has yielded results beyond expectations. According to the 2023 report by the Oklahoma Wildlife Commission, thanks to the aerial hunting campaign, over 2,500 wild boars were eliminated, significantly reducing the damage caused by this species. As a result, the affected tourist spots, farms, and urban areas have gradually recovered. This method not only saves time, but also optimizes hunting efficiency, especially in hard-to-reach areas. With speeds reaching up to 150 km/h, helicopters allow hunters to cover vast areas in a short amount of time. This is crucial when dealing with wild boars, a species known for its quick movements, intelligence, and adaptability to various terrains. If ground vehicles like trucks or ATVs are used, hunters may face many obstacles due to dense forests, swamps, or thick grasslands. But with helicopters, accessing even the wildest areas becomes incredibly easy. One of the biggest advantages of using helicopters is their ability to navigate with extreme precision. Modern helicopter models are equipped with GPS satellite navigation systems, electronic compasses, and digital maps, making it easy for pilots and hunters to pinpoint the location of wild boar herds in real time. This system not only helps helicopters track the boars, but also predicts their movement direction, allowing for a smarter approach strategy. Particularly when hunting in vast areas like Texas, Oklahoma, or Louisiana, precise navigation is crucial to avoid losing track of the target. When it comes to aerial wild boar hunting, the Bell 407 is one of the most popular helicopter models used in wildlife control campaigns across the U.S. This helicopter is designed for flexibility and can carry 4 to 6 people, allowing for smooth coordination between the pilot, hunters, and technical support team. Unlike ground hunting, using helicopters provides a significant tactical advantage. From above, hunters have a broader view, making it easier to spot wild boars even when they are hiding in dense forests or tall fields. Additionally, Since helicopters can adjust their altitude flexibly, hunters can choose the best shooting angle without being hindered by the terrain. Moreover, hunting wild boars from helicopters minimizes risks to humans. Wild boars are very aggressive and can retaliate when pursued, especially adult males weighing over 100 kilos. By hunting from above, hunters avoid direct contact with the boars, reducing the risk of injury or disease transmission from the animals. Hunting wild boars from helicopters is no simple task. It's not just about holding a gun and shooting. It requires a perfect coordination between the pilot and the hunter to ensure the highest effectiveness. At heights of several meters above the ground, aiming at a fast-moving target like a wild boar is a real challenge. Hunters must possess extremely accurate shooting skills and sharp reflexes to handle situations in an instant. Just one small mistake could result in a missed shot or even endanger their teammates. Safety is the top priority throughout the entire process. The team must strictly follow safety procedures. Wild boars can carry dangerous pathogens such as African swine fever, salmonella bacteria, and various parasites. Therefore, when handling them, protective measures like gloves, masks, and antimicrobial clothing are essential to prevent transmission to humans and other animals. This campaign not only controls the wild boar population, but also has a humanitarian aspect and contributes significantly to the local economy. Instead of allowing large numbers of wild boars to be wasted, many facilities have started using wild boar meat for food. With its high protein content and lower fat compared to farm-raised pigs, wild boar meat has become an excellent nutritional choice. Restaurants specializing in wild game are increasingly favoring this meat, helping stimulate the local economy. However, caution is necessary, as wild boars live in natural environments and may carry various dangerous diseases. Therefore, before being used as food, wild boars must be thoroughly inspected and properly prepared, ensuring they are cooked thoroughly to eliminate parasites. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like, and share the video with your friends and family so we can explore more interesting topics together. The jaguar, belonging to the cat family, is one of the most remarkable wild animals with an exceptional ability to adapt to various environments. They can thrive in dense rainforests, savannas, and even mountainous regions. Their distinctive coat, adorned with large rosettes, provides effective camouflage, facilitating hunting and helping them avoid detection. The flexibility and adaptability of jaguars to diverse habitats have allowed them to survive and thrive in different ecosystems around the globe. Join us as we explore and learn more about the jaguar. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our latest videos on this important topic. The leopard is a skilled predator that plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. With its sophisticated hunting skills, it helps control the population of other animals in its habitat preventing overpopulation of rodents and herbivores. The presence of leopards not only protects the health of the ecosystem, but also ensures that other animal species can thrive sustainably. Currently, due to food scarcity from habitat loss and human pressure, leopards have started attacking livestock in areas near forests. This behavior not only causes damage to farmers, but also leads to conflicts between humans and wildlife, increasing the risk of encounters with humans and resulting in serious issues regarding safety and livelihoods. Additionally, leopards have been attacking pets at night, causing concern among pet owners about their animals' safety. These attacks not only result in losses for residents, but also diminish trust within the community regarding wildlife protection measures. The presence of leopards in residential areas has created conflicts between humans and wildlife, highlighting the need for effective management strategies to protect both pets and the natural ecosystem. To mitigate this situation, trapping activities for leopards have been implemented in many areas. Safe and humane trapping methods are used to capture leopards without causing them harm. Once captured, the leopards can be relocated to wilder areas where they can live without posing a threat to pets or humans. Additionally, some areas have allowed leopard hunting to ensure the safety of the community and its residents. This decision was made to reduce the number of attacks and conflicts between leopards and humans. Allowing this practice not only helps minimize the risk of attacks, but also facilitates effective management of the leopard population, thereby maintaining balance within the ecosystem. Do you agree with this method? If so, please like the video, and if not, leave a 3 in the comments. To successfully hunt leopards, hunters should use bait to lure them into the desired area. The bait, which can be fresh meat or food that leopards prefer, will attract them closer. Strategically placing the bait allows hunters to easily observe and determine the right moment to take action. Smartly using bait not only increases the chances of a successful hunt, but also ensures that the process is conducted safely and effectively. When the prey is focused on the decoy, quickly aim for its weak point to finish off the target quickly. Usually, sensitive areas such as the chest or head are ideal choices to ensure an effective and humane shot. When ready, shoot with full concentration. The goal is to end the hunt quickly, minimize the pain of the prey, and protect the environment. Accuracy and decisiveness in this moment are very important to ensure a successful hunt. Humane management of jaguars is a balanced approach aimed at protecting this wild species as well as nearby communities. Instead of employing drastic measures like extermination or relocation, humane management focuses on minimizing conflict between humans and animals through environmentally friendly strategies. Encouraging research on the behavior and ecology of jaguars will also help develop more effective and sustainable management methods. Implementing these measures not only safeguards jaguars, but also fosters greater harmony and understanding between humans and nature. Do you agree with this approach? If so, please like the video. If not, leave a 4 in the comments to share your opinion.
A family road trip turned chaotic when a 1,200-pound moose ran onto the highway. Fortunately, no one was injured in the collision. Drive slowly through wooded areas in the winter and pay attention to warning signs. A bus traveling at over 50 mph on a highway in Colorado this morning encountered an unexpected passenger, a young deer darting across the road. This incident serves as a reminder for all drivers to always wear seatbelts, even on short trips, to minimize injuries in such situations. In the suburbs of Texas, where streetlights are scarce and wild boars are among the 3 most populous animals in the United States, the lack of visibility has led to drivers losing control of their vehicles. The importance of the government installing streetlights cannot be overstated, as it could reduce accidents by up to 30%. Installing 12-foot, 12T fences has proven effective in preventing kangaroos from leaping onto highways in many areas of Australia. These fences act as a physical barrier, reducing collisions significantly by redirecting kangaroos away from high traffic zones. It's unclear whether the man was in immediate danger when encountering such a kangaroo, but there are certainly consequences when one appears unexpectedly on the road. Drivers should reduce their speed to 35 mph to allow enough time to react. Many people assume that being in a car makes them safe because it's larger than a wild boar, but that's not the case. A collision with a wild boar can result in a powerful impact, shattered glass, suspension damage, and even serious injuries. Horseback riding is common in Wyoming, and a video shows a driver slamming on the brakes on a slippery road after colliding with a horse. This reckless behavior highlights the need for stronger measures to protect both the community and the animals. A flock of over 50 ducks caused a traffic jam, bringing hundreds of vehicles to a standstill for hours. In Texas, if a farmer fails to control their flock, the penalty can be as high as $500 per violation. Black bears in Alaska typically end their hibernation between April and May. During this time, they wake up and begin searching for food. People should reduce their speed when traveling through forested areas in the mornings and afternoons, as these are the times when black bears are most active. In 1990, livestock farming was not strictly regulated, as people continued to let their animals roam freely. Raising livestock generated $2,500 per animal, but an accident could damage vehicles and pose risks to public health. Duck herding on the streets of Bidford was strictly prohibited due to high traffic density. If the vehicles in the video weren't moving slowly, a series of collisions could have occurred. With no streetlights or fences, a driver suddenly hits a kangaroo. If it were you, could you handle the situation calmly? Protect yourself by staying alert and focused while driving. The deer leaped as high as 8 feet. I think the worst could have happened, but luckily, the car in front managed to avoid it this time. However, always stay vigilant, as luck doesn't always come around a second time. Black bears are often unaware of road hazards during mating season, as they move around more in search of food. Drivers should honk their horns to alert others, and should never exit their vehicles to chase the bears away, as bears may attack if they feel threatened. You could hear the car traveling at 114 mph, indicating he was speeding, which led to him hitting a deer. Fortunately, the car had a front bumper that minimized the damage, allowing him to escape the situation safely. Australia's biggest race, the BA 1000, was disrupted by a collision with a kangaroo. This incident highlights poor race management, and organizers need to rethink and improve their safety protocols to prevent such events in the future. When faced with an attacking sheep, step back instead of moving forward to avoid a dangerous situation, and give the sheep enough space to move away. Even if you hit a small wild boar, your vehicle's cabin can still be damaged. Have you ever encountered such an unexpected situation? States like West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Michigan frequently experience nighttime deer collisions, especially during the breeding season from October to December. These accidents cause vehicle damages ranging from $3,000 to $7,000, One incident happened so suddenly that a farmer lost over 50 sheep in just seconds. This raises the question, are farmers truly aware of the significant risks constantly lurking on highways? Many people wonder why a fence was installed on this road and why the cow ended up there. If you have any information about this incident, please leave a comment below. If you frequently drive through sheep grazing areas, it's best to reduce your speed to at least 45 mph at night. Reducing your speed gives you a better chance to react quickly to unexpected situations. Be cautious when driving through forests in winter, as black bears often forage near the Smoky Mountain areas. Their movements are unpredictable, so minimize travel to ensure your safety.
Oh my God,
The impact was so severe that I'm sure the car owner must have spent a fortune on repairs. I believe his horse racing trophy was Bagista. The collision on the track prevented him from finishing the race. I also don't understand why the car was placed there in the first place. Are these lessons and solutions for wildlife-related traffic collisions helpful in moments like these? If you have new ideas, please share them in the comments to help build a safer community. Comment 1 if you found this video inspiring. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. These methods are highly effective in stopping the spread of certain invasive species. Do you have any ideas for better solutions? Share your thoughts in the comments so we can explore together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to tell your friends so they can enjoy the videos too. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.
Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, wait!